Hello and welcome to session 3 of Garageband for iPad. We're going to be continuing in how to make music using your iPad. I'm going to start right now with structure. To add structure or sections to your music, tap on the plus icon as you've done in previous videos. Add the extra sections, in this case D and E. That gives us 5 different sections of which we can then play around with. You'll see from the last time we've got 2 sections. We can call these section A and section B, 2 sections giving you the binary form. Do check us out by liking this video as well as subscribing to the channel. If you still want to keep that form, then you can tap select all by tapping on the screen and then tapping select all, copy, and then tap on the locator where you want it to be and then click paste, and that is where your AB section will repeat again. So you therefore have AB, AB, still binary form, still using those 2 sections. Moving on to ternary form, you can add a 3rd section to your music by doing the following. Tap on the section that you want, of course going over to the plus icon, and then adding those sections that you want. Tapping on the section that you want to copy as well, and then pasting it, and it will then add it in. Here are other examples of structure that you can use on the screen now. You've got rondo, strophic and sonata forms. Each of all have got their own versions of structure, and each you can employ in your music making. Take care.